Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're well. David here. I've been asked a lot about adding guests to our Teams tenant, alright, or to our Teams. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video regarding how you would invite somebody and then what they'll see, okay, and how they join the team. So, into my OCC English team that I created. Then across from the name I have my ellipsis or the more options button, and I can manage team or I can add member. So it's just as easy to go to manage team. I'm going to click to add member because the manage team allows me to see whoever's there. So I created a Gmail account. Okay. Now because it's an @Gmail account, it's asking me to add LMETBtest@gmail.com as a guest. Fair enough, let's do that. Select add. Then once the close button here gets lit up, that means we're ready to go. So click close, pop over to to the account we created, and there's an email from Teams. Select the email and it gives information about the team it's been added to. So OCC English, blah 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 blah, loads of bits and pieces. So they select open Microsoft Teams, and then it takes a couple of seconds, but what's going to happen is they're going to get a redirect page, okay? It's going to ask them to set up an account. Now, they're not going to have to set up a new account. It's going to have Microsoft access, but it's still going to be their Gmail account, username and password. So select next. It's going to ask you for a password. I'm going to use the same one as I have for my my Gmail account. Alright, a little bit more information. We'll just make something up here. Oops. Wouldn't let me do it if I was only 5. That'll do. Select next. Alright, so an email will have been sent to the LMETB test with a code. So let's go to there. There's the Microsoft account. Verify the code. So I'm going to copy this. Oops. I'm going to copy this email. Enter code. And I don't want promotion information. Select next. And these nasty captchas, which I always get wrong. There we go. Nice. So, that's just reviewing the permissions. Select accept. You can see up here now it's redirecting me and it's bringing me to Teams. Okay, so this here is giving you the option, because I have Teams installed on my device, it's giving me the option to open Teams directly. I'm going to cancel that. Okay, because we'll assume they have nothing. So let's use the web app instead. Okay, so it's going to open in the web. You can see Teams is after launching, and all that's going to happen in a couple of seconds is it's going to authenticate with the username and password that I've given. You can see that I'm in my OCC test team. David O'Connor added, LMETB test guest, and that's it. That's our access. And then I'm signed in as LMETB guest, as you can see. Okay, so I can now join the conversation. Alright, thanks a lot. Any questions, just drop me a mail.